Hi everyone, I'm Jane and I'm a change management consultant here at INNOVERV. In our personal lives, we've all adopted to new technologies, whether that's smart homes, wearables, or AI-powered assistants. But when it comes to organisations, that same adaptation often hits a wall. But why is it so easy at home and so hard in the corporate world? At INNOVERV, we believe it's because traditional change methods don't go deep enough. Our approach tackles the root causes of resistance to change. And here's how we do it. Number one, influence mapping. We identify who really drives change inside your organisation. Just like influencers shape behaviour on TikTok, YouTube, there are key people internally who influences others. We find them, we work with them to drive momentum. 2, business readiness assessment. We assess your organisations as is to help define the to-be state. Using AI, we have done this across 30 manufacturing sites at record speed, enabling rapid, data-driven insights and decisions. Benefit realisation. 3. We know that true benefits don't arrive at go live. They arrive after. And that's why we track and measure outcomes post-implementation using AI, ensuring that promised value is actually delivered. Number 4, creating a movement. Real change isn't delivered through a slide deck, it's a movement. One that people really want to be a part of. We use tools like the critical thread to help connect every role and task back to transformation goals, so that everyone understands their part in the journey. In summary, change isn't about forcing people to adopt, it's about inspiring them to want to, just like we do in our personal lives. And that's exactly why I have joined INNOVERV, because here we don't deliver just change, we actually create a movement that sticks. We use data, empathy, and influence to unlock real transformation. And I am proud to be part of a team that is redefining how change gets done.